Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to come on really quick to kind of go over some things that I've been changing with my channel, as well as quickly share this super sweet Merry Mail that I received from my friend Kat. Hi Kat. I have not opened this yet, but I also wanted to come on and wish you guys the happiest of holidays. I hope you guys had a very Merry Christmas if you do celebrate, and Happy New Year. So here it is, 2021. I'm hoping the craziness that we all have encountered in 2020 will be a thing of the past and we can all get back to normal. So with all that being said, I want to share with you guys this super sweet Happy Mail. I've not done anything but just opened up the box. And let's see what Kat sent me. You are so sweet, Kat. Thank you so much for thinking of me. Super sweet card with some poinsettias on the front. Let me go ahead and read this really quick. Oh, thank you so much, Kat. I'm sure whatever it is that you created is going to be fabulous, as are all your creations. So let's dive in. How sweet is this? Oh my goodness. This is one thing that I haven't done, is like kind of like doll making, but this is so cute. Look at it. And the fact that you made this from scratch is just unbelievable. Super cute. She's felt, I think she said vintage velvet upholstery, which would be the hat here. This is so stinking adorable. She even has a little glitter die cut here. It says Joy. A gold poinsettia here. Some twine. Even this little cluster, look at the layering. And you're gonna have to tell me what this is. Is it yarn? I've never worked with anything like this before, but it's so fun. She's even glittered the pom-pom at the end. And here's a little hanger, and this will be going up in my craft room. I know it's for Christmas, but there's really no end of seasons in my craft room. She has this little button in the back. So cute. Thank you so much, Kat, for thinking of me. I'm just going to go ahead and leave this here so that you guys can look at the beautiful creation by Kat while I go over some things. As you guys have been noticing on my channel, I've been doing less and less of paper crafting. I am not giving paper crafting up. However, my new love of resin art and fluid art is going to be more prominent on my channel. So I hope you guys will follow me on that journey, and it's something new and exciting for me. If you guys have been following me on Instagram, you have seen my posts of either tumblers or coasters that have been more recent. And if you're not following me, make sure to check out my link in the description box. I will have my Instagram link as well as my Facebook link, and then you can connect with me on those other social media sites. And if you guys have been following me for a little bit, you'll know that I have been taking custom orders for either coasters, and now I'm taking orders for custom tumblers. So if you guys are interested in any type of custom tumbler, I will try to do my best to get you the design and look that you're looking for. As I said, most of the items have already been posted on Instagram. I wish I had some sort of sample to share with you guys, but all of the tumblers that I've created are already gone to their recipients. What I will do, if you stick around to the end of this video, I will have a slideshow of some of the tumblers that I've made recently, and they have different looks to them. And let me know if you are interested. I can go over pricing and the different styles and sizes of cups that I have. I will have my email address in the description box if you want to contact me through email, or other people have also been DMing me on Instagram. So either way, I get the notifications right away so I can get back to you as soon as I possibly can. So with that being said, I wish you guys nothing but the best and good health and prosperity for this new year. And I hope you guys stick around with me and follow along in my journey of trying out resin art, which is actually more prominent than my fluid art. Lately, it's been very difficult to get a lot of videos out because I've been doing orders. So thank you guys so much for all your support. If you're new here and you want to see different types of handmade items and crafting, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button if you like this type of content, and make sure to ring that bell notification so you are notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you again so much. You guys mean more to me than words can even express, and I hope you guys are going to have a fantastic weekend, and I will see you guys really soon in another video. Bye everyone.